What are you doing?
Picking up my boss inside.
Who's your boss?
This is 6019. Let's see, Word Street, right?
Is that your boss? Get out of here.
What?
Get out of here. I'm gonna call the cops. Get out of here. Get out of here.
Call my boss. What's the address I'm supposed to be at? What street is it?
Ain't St. Louis Street. You gotta look before you pick it up.
I'm sorry, you said you was leaving me stuff on the porch. Supplies for the guy, sir.
This ain't it.
I apologize. I'm not running off that.
Hey.
Somebody tried taking the package?
Yeah. Look, just right now.
Really?
I say, hey. Get the out.
During the lunch hour, Tull received an alert on her phone while at work, and when she opened her Ring Video doorbell app, there she saw this woman on her porch taking her packages.
What are you doing?
Is this Deborah's house?
No, it's not. Put my packages back on the porch.
Yeah. I'm so sorry. Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
That woman quickly returns the packages, saying she thought she was at Deborah's house, and then she leaves.
She was very apologetic. I kind of felt like maybe she did have the wrong house, but I wasn't sure. We've been having problems in this area.
Tull raced home from work to call authorities.
I talked to the police officers who came to the house, and they did say that, yeah, the people who do these things say those things. They have a plan.
Here's the kicker. These heavy boxes with Target logos are not cool gadgets or electronics.
So she would have gotten home and been very disappointed to see cat litter.
4 giant boxes of cat litter.
I kind of wish she might have taken them, but...
It's a funny situation in her case, but she knows many have been through this scary ordeal, which is why she wants everyone to see the video.
I just don't want anybody to be naive about the situation, that it is that time of the year, that packages are getting stolen.
Now the neighborhood has the video too, just in case Deborah doesn't truly exist.
What are you doing?
Is this Deborah's house?
So she